I'd like to spend a few moments to talk about Melodic Motion Etude number 13. This is going to be all in the key of no sharps and no flats, and we're basically outlining C's and G7 types. So I hope you might find something within this that's interesting and can add something to your own playing and improvisation. If you haven't done so already, I'd like to ask you to subscribe if you like the content here. Please like, share, and leave a comment. If you'd care to make a donation to the channel, the PayPal information is in the description. And we'll get started here with Melodic Motion Etude 13. So we're starting with a 10th in C. We have C and E, frets 8 and 9. I'm using the middle two fingers, fingers 2 and 3. Little fingers coming up here to 10th fret, E to F. So this is root position C. Then we're coming to first inversion C. This is 7th and 8th fret of the 5th and 2nd strings. It's a good pattern to know. Now here's a little G chord with a melodic extension. G and B, 10 and 12 on strings 5 and 2. We're raising up B to C, 12th to 13th fret. Here's another little G7. B and D, frets 9 and 10 on strings 4 and 1. We're reaching up to F there, the flat 7, at the 13th fret of the first string. And now we're going to get a C sus. So C in the bass, 10th fret of the 4th string, F up here on the 1st string, 13th fret, and it's coming down to 12. So C and F to C and E. This is a little G chord in first inversion. B in the bass, D at the 10th fret of the 1st string, C at the 8th fret of the 1st string. So we're just coming down a scale. Now chord tones again, G and B at 10th, G and B at 10 and 12 of 5 and 2. And we're coming below with an A note to the 10th fret of the 2nd string. And then approaching C from below with a B in the bass, first inversion G chord. This is B and G, frets 7 and 8. And we need to get our F back in here. So G7, this is 3rd string, 10th fret. And we contrae motion. So the whole line stacks up. And everybody has a place in there, 1s and 5s. You'd be able to move this to other keys profitably. I hope you do that kind of work of taking something like and just moving it through the key in a sequential way, up and down through the scale, the chord streams. If you have to add an accidental to make something else happen, then put that thing in there. There I was singing the key of 2 sharps. I hope this finds you well, staying warm if it's cold where you are, enjoying your music, finding new things, taking some chances, just improvising without knowing quite what's going to happen. Have some fun with it, and I wish you a very good day.